Apple has officially released the new iPhone SE for 2025, but with a somewhat of a surprise twist. The iPhone SE name has been officially canned. Instead, this new budget device will go by the name of the iPhone 16e. First, start with the new design. iPhone 14 users should definitely remember the look and feel of this design, as the new 16e practically adopts the exact same body as the iPhone 14, except for the dual camera system on the back. Instead, it's left with a single 48 megapixel camera, but more on that in just a second. You do get an all-glass back, an aluminum frame, a new 6.1-inch OLED display that does include the notch, but it's still a huge upgrade from the thick top and bottom bezels that were on the previous generation. There's no more home button, but instead a true depth camera system for the Face ID, which is located in that notch area. Another big upgrade here, and will come with MagSafe for wireless charging and the vast ecosystem of the latest iPhone 16 and 16 Plus, and it can run all of the new Apple Intelligence features that Apple has released so far. So you'll get features like writing tools, Genmoji, Image Playground, and hopefully in the not too distant future, we should be getting the remaining Apple Intelligence Siri features that were shown off at WWDC in 2024, which is the first time that Apple has ever included such a component in an iPhone. Apple's new modem should help with power efficiency and offer users some pretty nice battery life improvements moving forward. And as far as that previously mentioned single camera system goes, Apple has updated it from a 12 megapixel camera to a 48 megapixel fusion sensor, which is basically the same main sensor found on the current iPhone 16 models. This should drastically improve the photo quality that we had in years past, especially with night mode, and then overall you'll just be getting some better shots than the previous generation. And even though there's no telephoto lens, the Fusion lens will provide you with that digital 2x and even further digital zoom that should still give you some really good photos. Went through some different phases in the rumor mill on whether it would be there or it won't be, and so Apple did decide to not go back to the old mute switch, which was on the iPhone 14, and of course on the iPhone SE from 2022. So there are a ton of different things that you can have your action button do, like open the flashlight, translate something, camera, even custom shortcuts or control center toggles can be set as the primary action button function. The iPhone 16e comes in two colors, black and white, and starts at $599 for the 128 gigabyte model. You can pre-order the iPhone 16e Friday, February 21st, and it will be available to users starting next Friday, February 28th.